Hey there, this is a free SEO analysis of the website Party Habits, and I'm on the homepage and I have analyzed the homepage using free tools. So the SEO score is 51 out of 100. It would be great if it was a little bit higher. The go-to score for this particular tool, I would say 65. Well, between 60 and 70 is a good score to go for. The meta title is a little bit lengthy. The character limit is 65 characters for meta title. You don't need URL here. You can just include your brand name, but obviously it is automatically added by your Shopify through the settings. The meta description could be a little bit shorter. I think the character that is the best is 165 character limit, so definitely go for a little bit shorter one. Add call to action as well, so people feel urgency to click your listing when they see it in Google as well. The heading structure is good, so you've got H2, H3 tags. You're missing H1 tags that should be by default part of your page title. Party theme, custom, party prices. So the keyword actually is very good, content analysis and the keyword quantity. So that's good. Your website is mobile friendly, which is fantastic. I would say the header takes a lot of space, especially on mobile, so that definitely can affect conversion rate. So make sure to work on that. Your website is a little bit on a slow side. I would say go for, I mean, it's still within the norm, but there are definitely areas to work on if you want to improve on these. I would definitely go for 1 second 50, 1 second 30, something like that. So this particular tool, Pingdom Tools, mm, ideally you would want to have only 1 or 2 areas on red when it comes to the scoring for this tool. You've got a number of broken links. You've got 103 broken links out of the 2000 scanned. So work on that because that can affect your SEO. People when they see error page, when they find your website, obviously they click back and that affect your bounce rate and obviously conversion rate as well. So yeah, definitely work on that. These are areas that you can improve your SEO quite easily. So that's fantastic. If you would like to request a full critique of your website when it comes to proofreading, when it comes to conversion rate, website design, please request your full website critique through the link in the email. And thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.